Today we are making a baked cauliflower mac and cheese casserole, but I'm trying to make it a healthier version, so we are swapping out conventional noodles. And I found these incredible quinoa macaroni by Living Now Pasta, and these are free of gluten, dairy, wheat, soy, eggs, nuts, corn, so many of the top allergens, and they are instead filled with quinoa, rice, healthy grains, high in protein. Now let's get into the recipe. Delicioso. Thanks for watching this episode of Swap This. Make sure you guys check out Now Foods and their Living Now pasta line. So many other incredible things that they have going on. And stay tuned for more delicious, healthy alternatives on all our future episodes. Thanks for watching.